How to change delivery date on Amazon. So if you want to change your delivery date on your Amazon, then just follow the steps. You just need to simply open up your Amazon account. Once you open up your Amazon account, you need to go with your orders. You can go with your orders and locate your order. Once you've located, you will have the reschedule option. You can simply click on reschedule. Once you click on it, from the calendar, you can select another date and time that will work for you. Then after that, click confirm. If your item has not been shipped, or if you didn't schedule your delivery date and time during the checkout process, you won't be able to change your scheduled delivery date in your orders. You must contact Amazon customer service to see what options are available. You can simply go with Amazon's customer service from your browser or from your application itself, and you'll be able to chat with them. So that's it. That's how you can change. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.